is stunning day today. I'd say here. I don't know 100%, like, I just clocked it last night. What each lads here? See that doorbell camera? Right. See them flats? That one open. They're 2-bedroom flats. There's one giving there 6'5" black boys just down the country. See them 2 houses there? Them 2 houses of Wayne's. Why? Has he got a doorbell camera? There. That doorbell camera should be inside. If you want the doorbell camera, it should be inside the flats, not outside there watching across the street to Wayne's. There's Wayne's play there. You never see a black freak out of the house. When he does come out in the middle of the night, he's running around with a big fucking Eskimo coat and all. Can't speak a word English. And that's the flat that the girl was told fucking. Oh, there's the flats there. There, look. There's the flats here, look. There's a girl with 2 Waynes who was ejected with him because it was given that black boy. It's an absolute fucking disgrace. And he's under his own too. Why not give him a 1-bedroom flat somewhere or put him in a hostel? Why? How they get a 2-bedroom flat? And why? There's a doorbell camera outside the fucking flats. It should be outside his own front door. That's fucking fishing out, that's ridiculous.